Top 6 Best Teas for Diabetics You Should Know. Tired of the same old beverage routine that doesn't fit your diabetes management plan? You're not alone. Many people with diabetes feel stuck when it comes to finding drinks that are both satisfying and blood sugar friendly. But what if I told you there's a world of delicious teas that not only quench your thirst, but also help keep your blood sugar levels in check? No more sacrificing taste for health. Tea is a flavorful, hydrating, and antioxidant-rich option that's perfect for anyone looking to manage their diabetes without missing out on enjoyment. And here's the best part. Recent studies suggest that drinking 3 or more cups of tea a day could even help lower the risk of developing diabetes. Whether you're managing your blood sugar or simply want to live a healthier lifestyle, these top 6 teas are your new allies in the journey. Stick around to discover which teas can support your health and taste buds. 1. Green tea. First on our list of teas that pack a healthy punch is the ever-popular green tea. If you hit a midday slump or just need a little refreshment, brewing a cup of green tea might be the ticket. Not only does it offer a subtle pick-me-up with its 28 milligrams of caffeine, but it also has some impressive benefits for managing and potentially preventing diabetes. A comprehensive review of studies has shown that both green tea and its extracts may help in lowering blood glucose levels, which can be crucial for preventing type 2 diabetes and even combating obesity. This is particularly exciting as obesity is known to increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes by at least 6 times, a strong reminder of how intertwined these factors are. But what makes green tea a standout choice? It's the presence of a remarkable compound called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. According to experts like Aaron Polinsky-Wade, RD EGCG boosts the uptake of glucose into muscle cells. This means your body is more efficient at using glucose, helping to manage weight and potentially address obesity. Not just beneficial for its EGCG content, green tea itself is a low-calorie hero. As per the U.S. Department of Agriculture, a cup of green tea contains virtually no carbohydrates, sugars, or fats, and just a mere 2.5 calories. These attributes make it not only a healthful beverage choice overall, but a genuine ally in your diabetes management toolkit. Moreover, drinking green tea habitually has shown promising results. Some studies highlighted in reviews tell us that those who have been sipping green tea regularly for over a decade had lower body fat percentages and smaller waist circumferences compared to non-drinkers. It's compelling evidence that small, healthy changes can have a lasting impact. So consider adding green tea to your daily routine. It's not just a soothing beverage, but a strategic choice toward better health and diabetes management. With possibly reduced risks and a boost in glucose processing, green tea stands out as a beneficial option you don't want to overlook. 2. Black tea. Moving on to another robust choice, we have black tea, a beverage that's as rich in flavor as it is in benefits for people managing diabetes. While black and green tea hail from the same plant, Camellia sinensis, there's a world of difference thanks to the unique processing methods that define black tea. A review published in 2019 sheds light on the potential of black tea to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and its complications, right alongside green and oolong varieties. Researchers have found that tea, including black, plays a noteworthy role in improving insulin resistance. This essentially allows the tea to act in an insulin-like capacity, supporting blood sugar control and calming inflammatory responses, which can otherwise exacerbate diabetes complications. Interestingly, animal studies have teased out some fascinating properties of black tea, suggesting that it may reduce the absorption of carbohydrates. This potentially improves blood glucose control, which is an exciting prospect for diabetes management. While we eagerly await more human studies to substantiate these findings, the potential is promising. Moreover, a 2017 study offers more support. It found that drinking black tea after consuming sugar helped manage blood glucose levels effectively. This study focused on people with prediabetes and those without diabetes, highlighting black tea's versatility in supporting glucose control across different health profiles. For those keen on maintaining a healthy weight, black tea could offer additional benefits. Reviews from 2016 indicate that black tea consumption was linked to lowered body weight in animal models, hinting at possible advantages for weight management, a critical component in diabetes care. But the good news doesn't end there. A comprehensive review concluded that regular tea drinkers, including those who favor black tea, reported a lower prevalence of type 2 diabetes. All these studies collectively showcase black tea as a multifaceted ally in your health journey, potentially making it an important fixture in your daily routine. So, when you next crave a calming cup of tea, remember the robust black tea for its taste and the strong support it offers for your diabetes management plan. Whether it's a morning brew or an afternoon refreshment, black tea stands tall as not just a comforting choice, but a strategic one. 3. Chamomile tea. Next on our list is the soothing and aromatic chamomile tea, a beverage that's as calming for the mind as it is potentially beneficial for managing diabetes. Often recommended for its sleep-promoting properties, chamomile tea emerges as more than just a bedtime ritual. It's a caffeine-free option that could very well be an unsung hero when it comes to holistic diabetes management. As reported by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, even a single night of poor sleep can impair your body's ability to regulate insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. This is particularly crucial for those living with diabetes, where maintaining stable glucose levels is key. Fortunately, chamomile tea, with its natural calming properties, may support better sleep quality, thus indirectly benefiting diabetes management. For instance, a 2015 study showed that new mothers experiencing poor sleep reported improved sleep quality and reduced symptoms of depression after 2 weeks of drinking chamomile tea, a testament to its potential calming effects, even though the study participants weren't living with diabetes. But how does this translate to diabetes care? Chamomile tea has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity and glucose management, thanks to its ability to potentially reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, an important consideration given that diabetes is often characterized as an inflammatory state. A pivotal study published in 2018 further bolstered these claims. Participants with type 2 diabetes who enjoyed 3 cups of chamomile tea daily for 8 weeks showed remarkable improvements in insulin resistance and inflammatory markers, revealing tangible benefits of making chamomile tea part of a daily routine. What's even more encouraging are findings from animal studies that suggest regular chamomile tea consumption might slow down or even prevent certain diabetes-related complications. Though more human research is needed, these insights are promising. So whether you're curling up after a long day or just need a moment of tranquility, chamomile tea could be your go-to brew. Beyond relaxation, it offers a bounty of benefits that may well make it an essential tool in your diabetes management arsenal. Its potential to enhance both sleep quality and metabolic health makes it a versatile choice you should explore. Before we continue the video, can I ask you a question? If you found these tips helpful, please hit subscribe so you can stay updated with more practical advice and insights for managing diabetes effectively every day. We really want to help you. 4. Ginger tea. Next, let's spice things up with ginger tea, a delightfully zesty option that may do more than just tickle your taste buds. Rich in flavor and benefits, ginger tea isn't just for those seeking a digestive aid. It holds substantial promise for anyone managing diabetes. Those who savor ginger tea might be glad to know that its potential extends beyond the aromatic warmth. According to a comprehensive review from 2015, ginger root supplementation, while stronger than the tea form, helped decrease fasting blood glucose levels and A1C counts in individuals with type 2 diabetes. This powerful effect highlights ginger's potential role in regulating glucose levels. Additionally, there was a small study from the same year that bolstered ginger's reputation in supporting glycemic control. Participants with diabetes who weren't on insulin but supplemented with ginger for 3 months showed marked improvements in their glycemic management, proving ginger's competence as a supplementary ally in diabetes care. But what makes ginger such a potent contender for those managing diabetes? A separate study revealed that ginger may take action by inhibiting certain enzymes implicated in carbohydrate metabolism, thus boosting insulin sensitivity. This means your body becomes more adept at managing and utilizing glucose efficiently. Researchers noted an increase in glucose uptake into peripheral adipose and muscle tissues, which directly supports balanced blood sugar levels. So, how does this translate into your daily life? A comforting cup of ginger tea could seamlessly become part of your routine, bringing with it a range of benefits that support healthier glucose levels. Whether it's the warmth on a chilly day or a soothing cup after meals, ginger tea is more than just a flavor boost. It's a strategic choice in your diabetes management journey. Incorporating ginger tea into your diet not only diversifies your tea selection, but also injects a tangy note that's both therapeutic and enjoyable. Its dual function as a health-enhancing and palate-pleasing beverage makes it worthy of consideration for anyone looking to optimize their nutritional regimen. 5. Hibiscus tea. Let's introduce the ruby red allure of hibiscus tea, a vibrant drink that can invigorate your senses with its tart and tangy flavors while offering a trove of health benefits, especially for those managing diabetes. More than just a refreshing treat on a hot day, hibiscus tea has captivated researchers due to its potential in supporting heart health, a crucial concern for those with diabetes. The National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases underscores that individuals with diabetes are more susceptible to developing heart disease. This elevates the significance of beverages like hibiscus tea. Imagine this. Simply sipping on 8 ounces of hibiscus tea twice daily could be more than just a hydration choice. It may actively contribute to lowering systolic blood pressure for those with diabetes within a month. This finding, highlighted by experts like Polinsky-Wade, is particularly promising. After all, maintaining a healthy blood pressure is pivotal when mitigating cardiovascular risks, such as heart attacks and strokes. For someone managing diabetes, incorporating hibiscus tea into your daily routine could be a flavorful way to also lend a helping hand to your heart. It's not about drastic changes, but incremental habits that quietly bolster your health defenses. Why not let hibiscus tea take a cherished place in your pantry? With its striking color and tang, it doubles as a cooling iced tea or a warm, comforting brew. Above all, it's a testament to how even the simplest of beverages can harmonize enjoyability with enhancing health wellness strategically. 6. Peppermint tea. Imagine winding down after a long day with a warm cup of peppermint tea, enveloped in an aromatic embrace that not only soothes your senses, but also guards your well-being, especially if you are managing diabetes. Peppermint tea is not just a refreshing delight. It's a calming potion that can play a significant role in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. For many individuals with type 2 diabetes, stress can be a formidable adversary. Polinsky-Wade highlights the importance of stress management, emphasizing that the calming effects of peppermint tea can be beneficial. You see, when stress levels spike, your blood sugar levels can follow suit. They become increasingly tricky to manage. This is corroborated by research from the University of California in San Francisco, which outlines the link between stress and elevated blood sugar levels. Delving deeper into the benefits, a 2009 study throws light on the power of peppermint's aroma. When drivers were exposed to the invigorating scent of peppermint, they experienced a marked reduction in anxiety, frustration, and fatigue. It's fascinating how inhaling the minty, fresh scent of your tea can transport you into a calmer state of mind. Moreover, a 2019 study furthers this narrative by showcasing peppermint's ability to alleviate pain and anxiety during medical procedures. The researchers even recommended using peppermint aromatherapy ahead of catheter interventions due to its significant calming properties. Incorporating peppermint tea into your daily routine may serve as a simple yet potent ally in your diabetes management strategy. It's about more than just sipping a delicious beverage. It's about crafting rituals that contribute to your health holistically. As you wrap your hands around a steaming cup of peppermint tea, let its aroma and warmth envelop you, ushering in tranquility and aiding in stress relief. Such small yet significant steps can empower you in your journey toward a balanced and healthier lifestyle. And there you have it, the top 6 teas that can be a game changer for managing diabetes. Each cup offers a unique blend of flavors and potential health benefits, from lowering blood sugar levels to reducing inflammation and even calming your nerves. With options like green tea, chamomile, and peppermint, you're sure to find a favorite that aligns with your lifestyle and taste preferences. Tea is more than just a drink. It's a daily ritual that can enhance your well-being and assist in diabetes management. But remember, while tea is a fantastic complement to your health routine, it should not replace prescribed treatments or advice from your healthcare provider. If you're looking to keep your diabetes in check while enjoying delicious meals, check out our cooking channel just for you. We share tasty, diabetes-friendly recipes that make healthy eating easy and fun. Don't miss it. Head over now and start cooking with us. We will leave the channel link at the description. If you found this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who are on a similar journey. We'd love to hear from you. So drop a comment below about which tea you're most excited to try or share your experiences with managing diabetes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights like these, where we dive into health tips, recipes, and wellness strategies to support you. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Until next time, sip wisely and stay healthy. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.